In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to figure out which files are taking up all that precious space in your Google Drive. If you've ever tried to upload something important only to be stopped by a storage full warning, you already know how annoying and disruptive that moment can be. The good news is that Google Drive gives you simple tools to see exactly what's eating up your space, and today I'll walk you through how to use them. First, open Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your browser or by going directly to drive.google.com. Once the page loads, take a quick look around and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Storage. This is the key area you'll use to locate the files responsible for filling up your drive. Go ahead and click on Storage. As soon as you do, Google Drive will display a list of all the files stored in your account. This list shows everything in one place, no matter which folder the files are in. But to really understand what's taking up space, we need this list to work a little harder for us. Next to the storage label, you'll notice a small arrow icon. Click on this arrow to sort your files by size. Google Drive will instantly reorganize everything so the largest files appear at the very top. This simple step saves a ton of time and makes it easy to find those huge files you may have forgotten about, such as videos, backups, high-resolution images, or old project folders. Once the list is sorted, start reviewing the top items. These are the files taking up the most space. If you spot something you no longer need, click on it to select it. You can select individual files or multiple files at once. When you're ready to remove the selected items, look toward the top right section of the Drive window and click on the trash can icon. This sends your files to the trash. Keep in mind that items in the trash still count toward your storage total until you empty the trash completely. So after deleting your files, head over to the trash section on the left sidebar, open it, and click Empty Trash if you're sure you no longer need anything inside. Once the trash is cleared, your available storage will instantly update. By following this process, you'll quickly free up space and keep your Google Drive running efficiently. It's a good habit to check your storage every now and then, especially if you often upload large files. Staying on top of this helps keep your drive organized and ensures you have plenty of room for future documents, projects, and backups. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find the files that are filling up your Google Drive and how to clear space whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your storage clean and manageable. Let me know if you want tutorials on anything else related to Google tools.